welcome to another Brickright video. We are offering a new service, fresh for 2026, aren't we, Frey?
We are, yes.
The new service is going to be jet washing and cleaning your existing patio. So this customer's called us in, porcelain patio that we haven't installed, but as you can see, it's completely green and algicized up everywhere. So our job is to get all this green off and make the patio look back to square one again, to restore it back to the point where it's brand new. This area is completely green, all the copings are green. Off a nice pair of Wellington boots. The first job we're going to be doing is the leaf blowing. Just get all the clutter off the patio. Fill your bucket up.
Fill up the water now, roughly half. It's all mixed up now. You just tip it on and brush.
Notice how he's giving me the hardest job? He just tips it on. And then the fat grey old thing, he just does this bit now. You don't have to really scrub with it, as long as you get it over the coverage. Agitated this now, we've got the hypo all over it, we've just done a little scrubbing session. Generally leave it for about 20 minutes just to soak in, give it another scrub, then we'll jet wash it. What I normally do is in that 20-minute period of downtime, I normally go on a little jog, just a little run for 20 minutes, so I'm going to do that and I'll see you in a minute.
Look at the state of him after that jog.
Oh, Frey, absolutely killed me that did. I got about a quarter of a mile in. And honest to God, right, quarter of a mile, took me 15 minutes to do a quarter of a mile, and what stopped me? You've got to find somebody to invent a sock that doesn't come off in a Wellington boot. Right, so we've been about 10 minutes now, and we haven't scrubbed it, we just agitated it, and this is where we are with it. So I don't know if this is picking up on the camera, but already, we haven't jet washed it yet, and already you can start to see that that stuff is actually working, it's doing a good job. I would recommend, and we haven't done it, but I would recommend you wear a mask, because this is quite potent. It can really get into your chest, so yeah, wear a mask. So now it's been 20 minutes, you can see a lot of the green stuff has already, you know, been removed by the chemical. So we're just going to jet wash it off now. But the key thing with this is this grouting system is the brushing grout, okay? So if I was to go close to that, it would take the grout out. So I've got to use this on a 45-degree angle and not go too close. I want to keep the grout in, all right? So there we go. This was actually a freebie for this customer because she's been lovely to us. So we just done this for free, and it shows you exactly what this new service is all about. Cladding, all the coping stones, all the patio, and if you have a close up on this one now, Frey, no green stuff, all the algae's gone, all the joints are still there, so it's a job well done.
See my reflection in now, and here, look.
You can see your reflection. I don't want to see my bloody reflection. The cost for this would have been around about the £200–220 mark for the labour and the chemicals and the clean and everything. So it's money well spent to restore your patio. So if you're in the Cardiff or South Wales Valleys areas, Caerphilly, Barry, just give us a call and we can give you a price to do yours. For the keen-eyed people who are watching, these rust marks. Now, we didn't know there was rust marks on the patio, right? As I say, this is a freebie. But if we're doing it professionally, we're doing yours, we can also remove the rust marks as well. We haven't done it on this one, but we can do yours. So there we are, enough blithering. Hopefully you like the video. See you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and take care.